Hello everyone and welcome back to this YouTube channel. Swifty Cat Queen here, and in this video I'm going to be selling 200 horses to Larry here. And these were all wild caught by me, but yeah, let's get started. Oh, and I thought I'd tell you that there's been an update in Wild Horse Island. Blizzard Island got a total redesign, and there's a new breed added, the Dutch Warmbloods. I'm going to be making another video with them after this. I did not feel like making a video about the update because I didn't have motivation and I lost a really long login, just a little upset. And I just don't feel like re-recording it, but yeah, it got Blizzard got an update, and there's now such thing as travel trailers, and you can go unlock them and just travel to any place else on the island that has a travel trailer. But this here is my horse, Love Apple. She is a Burgundy Dapple Icelandic. I just really love the Icelandics, and I got her during the Valentine event, and I really like her. But anyways, let's start selling some horses. Okay everyone, here we are, 201 horses. This is all of them. Let's just make sure I got all of them. Yeah, I think so. All of these here are Dutch Warmbloods, except for 2 of them. But let's see how many we can get. Done. And he'll buy our 201 horses for 79,976 tokens. So I think that's pretty good. So yeah, that sounds good. And as you can see at the top, I just got a bunch of money, and my inventory space has gone down by 100 down here. So I've been saving those horses for a long time, but I'll just go ahead and show you the Dutch Warmbloods. They're really pretty. So here's one that I traded for yesterday. I named her Luna because I traded for her from a YouTuber named Luna. So all the coats that they come in are in the wild are the Seal Brown, Liver Chestnut, which is this, Black, Chestnut Tobiano, Wild Bay, and they also come in Dapple Gray, but I have not caught that one yet. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We got a good amount of money just by selling horses, so if you're playing Wild Horse Islands and you're ever in need of money, that is one way to get a bunch of money pretty fast. Just catch a bunch of horses and sell them to Larry. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.